Welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could easily create a Windows 11 bootable SD card. Go to your browser and type download Windows 11 ISO and hit enter. Here you will see www.microsoft.com download Windows 11, just click on it. If you see a different language, just scroll to the bottom. You'll see the little icon of the planet, click on the language next to it and select the version or the language that you want. We will be redirected to this page. So just click on Windows 11 and wait to be redirected. At this stage, we are going to select the Windows Multi-Edition ISO for 64 devices. You can select this option, but there is another option which is Create Windows 11 Installation Media. So we will just click download, but we will not use it fully. We'll just use it to download the Windows ISO. Click on it once downloaded, because this will allow us to have additional options to use. So it was creation tool. Click yes if Windows will ask you to allow this app to make changes, and continue. A little icon or little device or software will appear here, and we'll click next on it. It seems it didn't work, so we'll try to run as administrator. So as I said, this little software will appear here, Windows 11 setup, and it will allow us to download the Windows ISO file that we want. We'll be able to change the language and the edition. So here we will have Microsoft software license terms. I invite you to read through, and after that you need to click accept so that you are prompted to the next option. At this stage, untick use the recommended option for this PC. Select the language that you want, and you will have only one edition, Windows 11, and click next. At this stage, select ISO file and click next. You'll be asked to choose the location where you need to save your ISO file, so I invite you to rename it Windows 11 and save it wherever you want and click save. You will need to wait up to 5 or maybe sometimes 10 minutes based on how fast is your internet. My internet is very fast, so it should take me 3 to 5 minutes as a max. I'll just pause the video here and we'll continue on the next option, or to show you what we have to do next. So now the download has been completed. We have Windows 11 ready, so we will just click to locate the file. So here we can see it and it's ready to be used. So we can just go ahead and click finish. It will state that it takes a few minutes, but in reality it takes just a few seconds to finish the setup. We're going to download a little tool called Rufus. So type in your browser Rufus. You will see the official website. And here we have it, the software. So just locate .exe, Windows 64. If you are using an old version of Windows, then you might want to see if you have Windows 86 or Windows 64. In your computer, if you're a Windows user, just type dxdiag, and a little window will pop up, and here you will be able to see the version or the architecture of your operating system. So here it's 64-bit, so I will download the 64-bit compatible. This is only an advert, and the tool has been downloaded, so we can close this browser. As a next step, double click on Rufus. Windows will ask you if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Just go ahead and click yes. At this stage, the tool will appear like this, so make sure to open your PC shortcut and to locate the device in which you want to set up the Windows. So here we have this one, storage memory, and this is what I will use. Rufus has found an updated version of the XP file used to perform UEFI secure or boot revocation. Do you want to download this update? So you can just go ahead and click yes if this message will appear for you. Next step, locate the letter of the drive that you want to use. So here it's letter E and it has 14 giga. I will select this one. By the way, the minimum required storage, I think as of today is 8, but it's better to get higher capacity. Next step, make sure to select first the correct storage device. I named it storage device to make sure to not confuse it with anything else. Disk or image, please select, click select. Locate your Windows 11 ISO file and click open. And wait for a few seconds for the scan to finish. Leave image option standard Windows installation. Partition scheme GPT. Target system UEFI. Leave it as it is. I'm gonna rename my device again storage device. And file system to be NTFS. Cluster size to be 4996 bytes. And quick format, create extended label and icon files. Start. Customize Windows installation. You can either customize or leave it as it is by default. I usually leave everything by default. And go ahead and click OK. Click OK and wait. The process will start. Deleting partition, partitioning, formatting. The process will take few seconds, up to 3-4 minutes as a max. Now the operation is completed, and once we check in our device, we find Windows 11 ready to be used. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.